Hello, my fellow practitioners, and welcome back to our enchanting corner of the internet. I'm your host, Deanna, the Witch of Witchery, and today we're diving deep into the world of oils. So grab your favorite cup of tea, settle in, and let's delve into the mystique of oil magic together. Now, you might be wondering, what's the deal with oils? Why do witches swear by them? Well, buckle up because you're about to uncover the secrets of these liquid wonders with the help of an avid oil user, aka moi. First things first, let's talk about what oils actually are. In the mundane world, oils are often used for cooking or skincare, but in our realm, they're like little vials of pure magic. These oils are infused with the energy of the plants they come from, carrying their essence and the essence of whatever they're infused with, along with their power. Take olive oil, for example. Not only is this oil easy to come by, but it is also the most versatile oil in my opinion. This ancient oil has been revered for centuries, not only for its culinary prowess, but also for its magical properties. Olive oil is associated with peace, abundance, and purification. It's perfect for anointing candles in spells for harmony or dabbing on your pulse points to invite prosperity into your life. I generally use olive oil in my protection oils, given that olive oil is also a natural protector of not only the spirit, but body and mind. Coconut oil is the next in my list of oils that I work with. This tropical delight is not just for smooth skin and luscious hair. Oh, no, no, no. Coconut oil is like a little burst of sunshine in a bottle, radiating joy and positivity. It's fantastic for enhancing psychic abilities and protection spells. Plus, it smells divine. Add a few drops to your bath or use it to anoint your third eye for an extra boost of clarity. I generally like using coconut oils in salves, as it has a natural soothing and moisturizing effect on the skin. And last, but certainly not least, an oil that usually takes a back seat in workings: sunflower oil. This golden elixir embodies the energy of the sun itself, bringing warmth, vitality, and success into your life. Sunflower oil is perfect for spells involving confidence, growth, and prosperity. Use it to dress candles or create anointing blends for rituals celebrating the cycles of nature. This is a great oil to use on hair or sore muscles. Infuse it with rosemary or lavender for extra strength for protection and vitality for not only your practice, but also your body. Now, you might be wondering, how do I actually use these oils in my practice? Well, do not worry, my dear friends. The possibilities are endless. You can anoint candles, dress spell bags, create bath rituals, make hair and body oils, or even infuse them in your cooking to imbue your meal with a touch of magic. For example, you can create a simple prosperity spell by anointing a green candle with olive oil, visualizing abundance flowing into your life as you light it. Or, if you're a little more daring, you may mix coconut oil with a pinch of cinnamon and bergamot essential oil to create a confidence-boosting body oil for when you need to conquer the world. So, there you have it, my magical friends. Oils are not just everyday ingredients. They're potent tools for transformation and manifestation in our witchy practices. Whether you're stirring up potions or brewing up spells, remember to harness the power of these oils and watch the magic unfold. May your oil be a conduit of potent energy, weaving enchantment and blessing all it touches on your magical path. Until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and as always, have the day you deserve. Toodles for now.